We Hullabaloo, do you? It's Sammi, Joe, and Mooster History here to explain the History Day Hullabaloo. A Hullabaloo is a research open house for History Day students. Hullabaloos take place at college, university, or public libraries across Minnesota. Because it's an open house, you can arrive or leave at any point during the event. There is no formal programming or a list of things you must do while you're there. When you arrive, look for the check-in desk. Each student will sign in and get several important pieces of paper, including a list of times and locations for Hullabaloo activities, a golden ticket where you can record what you've done and may be able to return to your teacher at school for extra credit. You may also get a raffle ticket, map of the library, or computer login information. What should you do after you sign in? That's up to you. Most students come to the Hullabaloo for a power conference. This is a one-on-one meeting with a History Day staff member or mentor to discuss your project. Bring any questions you may have, as you will be able to talk about any aspect of your project. Be sure to sign up for your power conference time right away. These appointments will likely fill up. While you are waiting for your power conference, or once it is over, there are several other things you may want to do. One of the most important things to do is research. You can use the computers to look up books or search databases, which you may only be able to access at the library. If you have questions, be sure to ask a librarian for help. You could also listen to a mini lesson. These are short presentations on different parts of the History Day process. You can learn about thesis statements, how to organize information in your project, the competition, or see sample projects. Check your schedule for time and location. Don't forget to have a little fun at the Hullabaloo too. Check your schedule for the time and location of the raffle, where you can win prizes or project creation supplies. Before you leave, you will want to check out. History Day staff will sign your golden ticket. You will also get a survey to let us know your thoughts of the event. Your feedback is important to keep funding for future programs like this. Remember, Hullabaloos are flexible events, not formal workshops, where you can get the help you need on your History Day project. Have questions or feel lost? Just look for your friendly History Day staffer in a bowling shirt. We look forward to Hullabalooing with you this year.